A fast kitchen scout named Mina spots a lone carrot nub and a tired red pepper on the counter. She zips them into a single pan, shredding the carrot, dicing the pepper, and stirring with a splash of soy. The peppers soften, the carrot braises, and a quick stock swirl becomes a tiny soup tasting like sunset. Next, she folds scraps into a bright, crisp topping and uses stale bread to make crunchy croutons. In under a minute, one humble fridge find becomes a trio of flavors, proving smart prep beats waste.